Hi friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you a favorite of all time, Goan sausage pulao. And to do this pulao, let's go and start it. And to prepare the Goan sausage pulao, here I'm going to take first 2 cups of basmati rice. Now I'm going to wash the rice and rinse the water a couple of times. So here I have given a very good wash. Now I'm going to keep the rice aside to get very well soaked for at least half an hour. Now in a pot, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of dalda. Now I'm going to be adding 5 to 6 cloves, 7 to 8 black peppercorns, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms, and 1 bay leaf. Let's roast this for a minute. Now I'm going to add finely chopped 2 onions. These are medium onions. Let's saute this for a couple of minutes. After sauteing for 2 minutes, now I'm going to add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. And now I'm going to saute this until the onions and tomatoes are completely softened. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this until the rawness of the ginger garlic is gone. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So here I've already cleaned the sausages. I've removed the skin. These are almost like 30 sausages that I'm using. So now we're going to add this over here. Now let's give a mix and let it get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes only. Now I'm going to add the rice over here. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of hot water to this. The second cup. This is the very same cup which I measured the rice, 2 cups. So if you are taking 2 cups of rice, take 4 cups of water. The third cup. There goes the last one, the fourth cup. Now I'm going to add 3 Maggi cubes to this. Now I'm going to taste if I need any more salt to add in this or not. Now I'm going to cover this with a lid and let it get cooked for 20 to 25 minutes on a medium flame. Now it's been 10 minutes that's been getting cooked. Still water left inside, so I'm going to mix the rice. Now I'm going to cover this again back with the lid and going to cook for another 10 minutes on very low flame. So the pulao is almost done now. I've turned off the gas. Now I'm going to keep the lid closed for another 5 minutes before I serve it on the plate. So friends, our Goan sausage pulao is ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.